I've been doing YouTube for about 7 years now, and I've made a lot of good decisions and also a lot of bad and irresponsible decisions when it comes to traveling. And a 7-hour round trip to film a YouTube video without any sleep, I think we all can agree was not my best idea.
Let's get this bread. Why are we up so early? Why am I up so early daily vlogging right now? Guys, we're going to Tampa today to film something really cool. It's really all I got to say at 3:37 in the morning. I'm gonna pick the camera up in a little bit. Cause I'm not in the mood for it right now, but I do it for you guys. I love y'all. You're probably wondering, why did I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and drive all the way to Tampa? Well, you can tell by the title in the thumbnail, we're filming something really cool today. There's gonna be a lot that goes into this video. We're gonna do a shot walk around. I have never been to Lifted Rippers. Technically, it's not Tampa, it's Plant City. Jeff's here. We'll get a little update on Jeff's truck. He's doing a frame off, nollie build, getting some 30-inch KG1s at some point this year, hopefully to be done by LST or OBI. There's some other trucks here that we're gonna showcase and film for you guys today as well. The main part of the video is Ricky, the sales rep for KG1 for Florida, got his brand new truck done, and we're gonna be showing off his new truck in the video today. So I do have a test shirt on today. Those of you guys, if this is something you guys would be interested in, let me know. I could probably get more of these done, but just a test for myself, just because I felt like it, you know what I mean? But we're hanging out in Tampa for the day, or Plant City. We're gonna be in Orlando later today. Drove all the way this morning, and we're driving all the way back home tonight. It's gonna be a long day. I love y'all. Y'all allow me to do things like this and chase my dreams. Let's get this bread, let's have a good day. If you ever need a place to stay, I'll get a roof for you. Maybe one day. Bro, look what I've got here though. So much in one video. I love trips like these. Look, y'all need to wake up and chase your dreams. We woke up at 3 o'clock this morning. Drove to Plant City. We're gonna hang out with Jeff, hang out with Mariah and Josh at Lifted Rippers, Adam from Creative Customs. We're gonna do a little shop tour. They got a bunch of cool, they got all kinds of crap up here. There's all kinds of crap up here. We're gonna go eat some good food, and we're gonna go hang out and do some more content in Orlando tonight. All because I was okay with making a round trip drive to Tampa and Orlando for one day. Chase your dreams, okay?
And there's some 405s.
Got 405s, we got some other Furies over here. Got KG1s right here. That's going on something. Josh and Mariah are huge supporters of KG1 and Fury. There's all kinds of KG1s and Furies up here at their shop at all times. Both of their big trucks have KG1s and Furies. Adam's truck has KG1s and Furies. And Jeff's truck is getting KG1s. These are 80180s, so they're going on a Duramax. Probably on one of these 2 sets of tires. Striker lift dropped off over here. Like I said, they always got some cool stuff over here. We got some Amanis over there. I saw TIS's on that one. They're working on the Chevy 1500 on the inside here. Let's go look inside real quick.
405s might be going on.
I've never walked around there. This is my first time at their shop today. Decided to do a little walk around. Look at all the trophies over here. Lifted Florida Showdown, I drive, South Florida Truck Show, Orange Beach, South Florida, Small Town Get Down, Beach Bash, Small Town Florida Truck Meet, Beach Bash, I drive. Show after show after show. Myrtle Beach Truck Week. Oh, we got Music City over there. A couple of old school ones. Got some good ones lined up over there. That's gonna be you on that list next. Yeah. No? You don't think so?
No, yeah, for sure.
Ooh. American Forces. I like that. Look at that. That's cool. The Lifted Ripper sign. I'm a big neon sign fan. I love neon signs. I love that whole vibe. Love that whole vibe. Ooh, in the desert? I think that was last year. Hello? Puppies.
What are you afraid to do?
In here in the AC, that's what they're doing. They're chilling. Adam's truck with the spreaders on it. I like the wrap on this. I don't think I've ever had Adam's truck on the channel, really. I've always been a fan, though. Little F-150, little gasser love with the floating center cap. Doggy. I love you too. The shirt smells burnt because it came from the factory. If y'all didn't know that about test shirts, if you order shirts offline and they come from overseas, they normally smell burnt.
Then take the first.
And that's like all I smell right now. But me and Jeff are gonna go eat at this. It's a buffet called Fred's that Josh had recommended to us. Because we're hungry, and then we'll come back and we'll look at some trucks.
Lunch them.
There's gonna be a lot of trucks today, so I'm trying to pace myself. We've only been here for like 10 minutes.
Keep you on your toes, cause I'm always up the sun. If we were together, I'ma say it, we won't break up.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing and installing a set of 3W liners floor mat. How could something so basic be so exciting, though? That was unsafe. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Reed and Charlie over here at Live It Auto Works. Ow. Floor mats. Wait a second. Look at the carpet on here. I was not expecting that at all. I'm a big fan of that, actually. That's freaking nice. I thought it was just, so the rears have the normal rugged, just kind of basic, just rubbery back, but the fronts have this super nice carpety material up. Not expect, I'm genuinely surprised by that because that's actually really nice. So shout out to 3W for that one because that's super cool. And it did come with an air freshener though, which immediately makes it my favorite company in the world. If you guys are interested in a set of 3W floor mats for your truck, make sure you guys check them out in the description below on Instagram and on YouTube. Let's get this bread. Before we get lost in what the day is gonna be, rate that food 1 to 10.
10.
Y'all saw a picture of it. 10 for sure. Sweet Tea was a 10 out of 10. She was there every 45 seconds, topping my tea off. Pause. Pause. Yeah, Josh did recommend that place though, so shout out to Josh for that. But I have a surprise for you guys that just pulled up. How legendary is it to have Jeff doing the walkarounds up here today?
Nothing but a power stroke and some more power stroke.
Power stroke.
More power stroke.
With the Vegas, polished, and I know it's dirty. I know they're gonna say something, it's fine. Polished with the big floating center caps. With the gold spikes, or the purple spikes.
Work truck.
Work truck, the tow pig. I hate that term, tow pig. I don't know why. I absolutely hate that term.
Josh's 42 Peterbilt.
What the hell is that thing? What the fuck is even that? Are they actually gonna build that?
Oh yeah.
He said he's gonna build that? That's kind of cool.
That's bad. Well, that thing is.
That's different for sure. Imagine hauling trucks in that. Really?
They're gonna pull it.
That's cool. That's cool. You think it's gonna?
That's a 42. I mean, it's solid metal, dude. It ain't going. It's bad. Solid steel.
So how about the F-150 sitting out front with the Mcgaughys kit on it? You don't see that too often, do you?
In the game and that wasn't your thing and you was a Margiela. I was just another nigga tryna holler, figured I would politic ya. So I tried that on the low, baby. I know you denied that. Keep it real with a nigga and I still roll in Miami with the side where the top at. You got a nigga, but I'm still your nigga on the low. Cause I've been gone for way too long. Down Miami, been up waiting, cut his feelings way too strong. I'm one call away.
One of the benefits to having Jeff here, so Jeff ordered a Poppy's kit. We're gonna be doing a frame off build on Jeff's truck. Jeff's truck is this one back here. He's got this brand new, what is it, 25? 2025 Denali 2500. It's gonna have a 20-inch lift, 30s, 44s. I think he's gonna do a set of 28s with boggers as well. It's gonna be awesome. I'm excited for this.
A set of 20s with 54-inch
20s,
bars.
54s, 28s, boggers, 30s, 44s. He's got all kinds of crap on the way for it. He's gonna have a different set of wheels depending on the mood of the day, you know what I mean? The coolest thing about this build, we're waiting on the lift kit currently, and then we'll order wheels and do all that kind of stuff. We're getting ready to leave to go do a video shoot promotion for one of the bigger shows in Florida today. Hopefully we can beat the rain. It's starting to rain now. Here.
What is this sexy bitch?
There's a, I can't tell y'all what truck is over here that I can't film, but
What is this
at least we got the frame though.
Look at this.
We got the frame.
We got money.
It's gonna be a frame off.
Right here.
So that truck over there that y'all saw will get this frame, and that frame is going on another truck that he's doing, so we're gonna have two.
Well, and then we're getting a dually.
And a dually. And then Alex is getting a truck probably. I think Jeff's buying Alex a truck at that point. Jeff's buying Alex a truck after that one. So at least we got some kind of an update on Jeff's trucks. Kinda, I guess. Frames here. Did you pick out a powder coat color or no?
I did.
You did? Got a powder coat color picked out. Mariah's truck's clean. We're about to leave in a minute. And when we get... As it starts raining, yeah. And when we get to when we get to Orlando, we're going to iDrive. When we get there, I'll show you guys Ricky's truck, which is the thumbnail today. We'll do a walk around of Ricky's truck. Was the whole reason why we came in the first place. Was to show love to Ricky's truck. We're gonna have to make plenty of trips down here to come see Jeff.
Then one day it'll be that big.
See the progress of the build.
One day it'll be that.
One day it'll be this big.
One day it'll be that.
I'm excited to see it this big. Because I know it's gonna have bread gang all over it.
And then Mariah, Mariah 970 can't make fun of me anymore. But hey, you know, one day.
At least you're driving a truck and not a rental.
There's this guy.
Both of them on you.
They's all on me right now.
They don't have the KG1 tattoo though.
Yeah, they ain't got one of those.
They don't have the KG1 tattoo though.
They ain't got one of those though.
I think Jeff just, never mind, I ain't gonna say that.
I'm hating a little bit, I ain't even gonna lie. Just a little bit hating. A little bit of hate.
Jeff's salty as a mo. I need me one of these. But a Duramax. Solid axle Duramax is what we need on the channel. 20 inches on 30s. Jeff's gonna buy me one. He already said so.
I want mine done too.
Jeff said he's gonna buy me a Duramax.
Dirty Max, boy. L5P.
Solid axle it for me.
L5P.
He already told me.
We don't drive power strips over here.
Ooh, look at that.
Look, bring it in, bring it in. We're about to leave. If you guys are in the Tampa area, if you guys are in Florida at all, check out Lifted Rippers. They're the best. It's almost up. Let's get this bread.
Yeah, she said I need a new whip, yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Different man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dough. Pass that girl right on my friend, give me go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. I hit it fast, yeah.
How do I come all the way to Plant City / Orlando to film one truck and we almost leave without filming the truck? So behind me, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Ricky's holding the camera since I'm not gonna throw him in the video like that, but we're in beautiful, I don't know if we're in downtown, somewhere in Orlando. I don't even know where we're at, to be honest with you. Beautiful scenery behind me, beautiful, beautiful trucks as well. 2025 GMC Denali 1500 with the magnetic ride control delete. 7 to follow me. This is actually, I feel like this is better than the daytime because you get to see the color better. You guys have seen a brand new truck before. Then we're gonna squat down for just a second. Oh, I'm getting old. Illusion orange, absolutely. I've got illusion red on mine and I love it. So the illusion colors, if you guys were wondering, absolutely perfect. 79 Mcgaughys with all the billet accent pieces. He did the upper control arm upgrade with, they have the new mirrored stainless accent pieces. He did the color matched ball joint cap emblem as well, so he's got the billet ball joint caps. Your front compression bars, and then he did upgrade to the rear traction bars as well. Love the rear traction bars. Fits perfectly straight out of the box. Got them powder coated to match with the accent pieces. The gem of the build, in my opinion. 2614 KG1 Joust with the floating center caps, color matched. To match as well. His float, mine don't, so gotta show love there. Joust is one of the new cuts. Absolutely love the Joust. Very different. You either love it or you hate it, to be honest. With the spike caps or the spike lug nuts. Gotta have the spike lug nuts on it. And it wouldn't be a true that wide bow tie truck review without finishing the video off with that Southern Tire style build if I've ever seen one in my entire life. Ricky, the truck is beautiful. Shout out to KG1. Oh, we got the Furies on it too. I forgot. 35 1350s?
Yes, sir.
35 1350 Fury 26. Love the orange, love the truck. Beautiful. Let's get his bread.
Off he goes into the world.
shout out to the guys from My Drive for dinner tonight. What are you doing? Man, it's crazy. I guess you're leaving.
I am. Love you, cuz.
Love this guy right here.
Love you.
Red Gang tattoo. I don't even have one of those. That's crazy. That's wild. That's wild. Hey, shout out to the guys from iDrive. Y'all better be at iDrive 2025. It's in March. It's at the end of March.
My truck might be done by iDrive.
Hopefully his truck's done by iDrive. That'd be f***ing fantastic. All right, so we finished the day of filming. Now I'm headed back to Atlanta. It is currently 9:50, so you guys can see that. 9:50, and it's not saying I'm gonna be back in Atlanta until like 4:30 in the morning. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey. I'm not gonna update you guys on the hour, but a couple of times throughout the trip, I'll pick the camera up and let you know how I'm feeling. Only about 10 minutes into the drive so far, and currently I'm okay. It's a pretty straight shot. Last time I did this drive, the drive wasn't that bad, but I also didn't do it through the night. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm a little scared, I'm a little worried, I'm already tired, but this is what we do for the content. This is the behind the scenes that you guys normally would not ever see. Oh. Do I look tired? Do I sound tired? It's been a long night. I'm eating prosciutto and cheese. Probably not my best idea. I got 2 hours left. Let's get this bread. Let's get to bed. Officially home. Let's get this bread.
In the end, I think that's the separation. Who's crazy enough to make the drive? The answer's me. I'm crazy enough to make that drive. To chase something that no one else can see. A dream. Let's get this bread.